Hey, today we're reviewing the Kiwi Design wall mount holder for the Echo Dot 2. Solid design. And here it is. Let's check it out. It's very small. There's a little manual. It's very sleek. As you can see, it would fit just snugly in there. Let's open it up. How do you get this out? Boop, boop, boop. Alright, let's put it in. So, it's nice. It's written in. You can just see it there, saying Kiwi Design. It's actually quite nice little addition. That it's really sleek. So let's pop it in. Line up the holes in the back. Just push it right in. Boop. It's really nice. Nice and smooth. It fits really well. You can see here there's no gaps on the outside, which is good. That's what you want. I've sometimes 3D printed before and it doesn't quite fit all the way around the outside. But this is really good. Nice and sleek. It's not going to fall out on you, which is what you don't want. Now, let's find out what happens here. Let's go back to the manual. Alright. Step 1. Firmly insert the rubber. Yes. Step 2. Drop the Echo Dot in the case. Yes. Securely place your Echo Dot in the case in the mount. Alright, so we're going to stick the double-sided tape on. So this is going to go on the wall. Now, so let's... There it is. There's the flavour. Here it is. It's really sleek. You can see it inside the mount. We've magnetically put this on the back. And we can test how it sticks. Just stick it on there. Nice and hard. And then the Echo Dot just sits on. And we'll plug it in. So the wall car mount for the Amazon Echo Dot by Kiwi Design. This one's in the black. I know there are definitely other colours. I'd highly recommend it. It's really easy to use and it sticks on very well and quite solid. This is a thumbs up from my review.